Before we begin our compound interest workbooks, go to Google Classroom and download Exponent Practice using Excel. And then you'll want to save this to your Dropbox. Make sure it's an Excel workbook rather than a Google Sheet. Our objective here is to learn how to use Excel to calculate the value of an exponent. So our practice problems are over here. Column B, 2 squared, or 2 to the second power, 3 squared, 4 squared, 2 to the fifth power. And just to review what you've learned in your math classes, when we have an exponent, what this is telling us to do is to multiply 2 times. For example, 2 squared would be 2 times 2. Here, 5 to the third power would be 5 times 5 times 5. So using Excel in order to calculate that value would be to start with that equal sign, type the value 2, and then to raise it to a power, you utilize the caret key, or the upward pointing arrow located on the number 6 on your keyboard, holding down the shift key, and then raising it to a power of 2. Now, if we've done this correctly, 2 times 2 should equal 4, which would be the same as 2 squared, or 2 to the second power. Double click, and then you can see that we have put in that formula using the caret key to raise to a power. Let's try 3 squared. That should be 9. 3 times 3. Equal sign, 3, shift, number 6. It's the location of the caret key, raised to the second power. Value is 9. I'll do one more, and then you can go ahead and complete the rest of these problems through problem 25. Equal sign, 2, raised to the power of 5. And once again, that is the same as doing this. Equal sign, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 times. 2 to the fifth power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should equal 32. So that's how you can use exponents within Excel. Go ahead and finish all of these, and then have me come by and look at your worksheet. And that will conclude Exponent Practice using Excel.